1 millisecond contains the energy of a sun. This number seems physically impossible. The CHIME/FRB 2022 catalog lists events that appear to belong to another dimension. But one line in this data does not align with known stellar physics. How can a radio signal, emitted across billions of light-years, hold such violence? This detail, seemingly insignificant, changes our entire understanding of cosmic energy. But why does this detail remain absent from official reports? The CHIME/FRB 2022 catalog is a massive collection of astronomical data. It gathers fast radio bursts detected by the CHIME telescope. These events first appeared in 2007, stemming from the initial work of Lorimer. The archives show these signals are extremely rapid phenomena. However, the raw data does not fit a simple classification of radio waves. Researchers found regular cycles, such as FRB 180916, with a period of 16.35 days. Does this regularity suggest an artificial origin? Or does it imply a cosmic mechanism we have yet to decipher? The 2022 documents reveal thousands of these daily events in the observable sky. But who knew how to interpret this density of information? The energy observed in a single FRB rivals that of a supernova explosion. Classical stellar models struggle to explain this extreme energy release. Astrophysical archives point toward a more violent source. Studies confirm these events are intrinsically linked to magnetars. These are neutron stars, possessing the most powerful magnetic fields in the universe. The detection of magnetar SGR 1935 plus 2154 in April 2020 solidified this connection. The regular cycles of the FRBs suggest a cyclic physical mechanism. It implies an energetic dance within these dense objects. Researchers found the energy contained in these pulses exceeds the estimations for standard mass explosions. What remains unexplained is how this energy is stored and released in a fraction of a second. Research team archives suggest these phenomena are a manifestation of extreme magnetic field physics. This is a physics that current models cannot integrate. If these events are regular, what does that imply for the fundamental structure of the universe? Until now, it was accepted that FRBs were either extraterrestrial signals or phenomena of non-natural origin. But a line in the publications of Nature and the Astrophysical Journal poses a fundamental problem. The data from the CHIME/FRB catalogs and the analyses of astrophysicists point toward a direct astrophysical origin. This origin is linked to the extreme phenomena of neutron stars. The observed energy matches the magnetic fields of magnetars. These are physical objects whose energy density is exponentially higher than normal stars. If FRBs are manifestations of these cosmic objects, then what is hidden about the true nature of the densest matter in the universe? If this energy density is not merely a physical manifestation, but an indicator of a fundamental mechanism of the universe? The archive suggests that the observed regularity of these events is not random. It is the signature of a vast, underlying energy architecture. What remains unexplained is how these extreme pulses integrate with the global structure of interstellar magnetic fields. Researchers who accessed these files noted that the physics of magnetars may be a gateway to physical laws we have yet to formalize. This is not the only program the archives chose to bury. The signal FRB 180916 is a shockwave. It is a direct emanation from the densest matter known. The data from the CHIME/FRB catalog confirms this stellar origin. The silence that follows is not an absence of signal. It is an absence of deliberate information. If the FRB events are the background noise of the universe's most violent objects, what does this cosmic silence conceal? The archives reveal a spectacular dance of energy. But if that dance is orchestrated, who is the choreographer?